Hi there, this is NikitaNet, and on the bench today is a very big box. Well, for the bench that is. So, we're talking about, let's see, the Parkside air hose reel. Very nice, right? At 23 degrees Celsius it is rated at 16 bar. At 60 degrees Celsius it's rated at 11 bar. What's more important is that we're going to unbox it very quickly. So let's get started. So this is a quick video. I just wanted to show my new acquisition, which I've been, well, longing for quite some time, because I do have some air hose stuff, and this is a reel with proper, right, very nice, right, well, quality stuff, at least for the price. Air hose included. So you get in the box an air hose reel, well, manual, I should have said manual, and you get this wonderful little reel which is spooled with 20 meters. Is it 10? Is it 20? Let me check the box. Yes, 20 meters of proper, I think, reinforced air hose. So let's get this off, because this is a proper unboxing, right? Oh my. Well, can we get that off? That is the question of the day. It's stuck in here somehow. Hello? Okay, let's not unbox it properly. I'll do that afterwards. But this stuff is very expensive normally, even from Lidl. Well, if you're on a budget, as to say, but you are getting proper air hose reel with air hose and these included crimp-on fittings. They look a little bit weak, but they will work most likely with all previous Parkside included fittings, because that's sometimes an issue. Let's see. It is Rowi Electronics GmbH. It is ISO rated. It's Type C. There's a measurement, and 16 bars at 23 degrees and that 11 bars at 60 degrees Celsius, of course. Undo that tie rip very quickly. Produced 2018 Q2, the second quarter. Rowi Electronics GmbH, so that's a German brand, right, for Parkside, Lidl, something like that at least, and this is nice. And more importantly, it was very affordable, because it's tough tested, which is good. I'm hoping, quite frankly, that I've got enough space left on this spool to reel up my loose air hose onto this reel, because that way it is nicely secured on here. Shall I try to find the other one? Because of course, it's supple. I like that. Somewhere here is the other side of that fitting. I don't know. And yes, unfortunately it's not on the spool, tucked in beneath. It's somewhere here, which basically means that, there it is. It has this nice little hole to put it in for storage, which is fine. But now I've got about 20 meters of air hose on the ground, which I'll have to reel in quite nicely. So I've just noticed, after rewinding this entire spool, that there's a very nice little detail in the design right here. It has this nice little clip, which is used to unwind it, right? Normally that would be on the ground like this. However, this is a very nice little detail for when you're winding and rewinding, or unwinding and rewinding this nice little air hose. Wonderful. And let's not forget, there is a little brake included that stops the wheel from unwinding, most likely at least completely, when you pull on it. or perhaps just as a break to, well, keep it like this when you're moving it. So I'm quite happy with this entire package, especially for the price. Build quality is sturdy enough for the real. The air hose looks quite decent, so that's nice. And this is Nikita that's saying thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.